How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another brand new episode of 6 Things by Sarthak, and today I present to you 6 things by Sarthak related to Real Madrid and some Chelsea news, the latest updates and more new developments in the market, and of course the major headlines. So without waiting, let's get into the video straight away. Sadly, Eden Hazard's time at Real Madrid has not gone to plan so far, with the forward struggling for fitness and of course the game time, as he just scored only 5 goals in 43 appearances. Eden Hazard has been offered to the former club, that is Chelsea Football Club, by some reports in Spain that are saying that intermediaries want him to join the Stamford Bridge side again. Hazard spent 7 successful years at Stamford Bridge, helping the club to win 2 Premier League titles, 2 FA Cups, and before also leaving to join Real Madrid in a reportedly 89 million euros transfer. Of course, it seems now that events now are about to come in reverse order. Maybe yes or maybe a big no. Let's see that further in this video ahead. The Belgian really has struggled at the Bernabeu, with injuries limiting him to just 43 appearances in all competition across 2 seasons. As we are talking about just 43 games, it's a huge deficit in the number of minutes that he's playing. In comparison, Hazard made a total of 52 appearances for Chelsea in his final season at the club alone. You know, that was a time when Hazard was in the lineup up and down, up and down, up and down, and there was no stopping because he was the main man there. He was running the show, he was pulling the strings, so he has to be there. And now when you see 43 appearances across 2 seasons only, and of course, you know, the time he's also missing with the national team, this is very outrageous because a player like Hazard's caliber wasn't like that at all. We all are aware that nothing happens in the transfer market for free. There is still processing fee, everything is there, but now with the real transfer, of course, there is a money involved, and there is a lot of money involved. Madrid are still paying off Hazard's transfer fee in the form of 20 million euros of amortization payments every summer, and they would need to coup at least 60 million euros more to avoid making a loss on the Belgian international, an amount Chelsea deemed to be very high. And you know, the financial impact that will have on the club is of course a huge one, because Spanish clubs during the pandemic struggled a lot, as we discussed during our last video, and they are desperate, and oh boy, they are desperate that they would do anything to get money. And of course, you know, from an example that is very special one, they were about to join the European Super League. So Spanish clubs and money go hand in hand, and they desperately need it now. Although there are some positives in the camp, those positives are coming from the point of view of Carlo Ancelotti, the newly appointed coach yet again at Real Madrid. New Madrid boss Ancelotti has backed Hazard to rediscover his form next season, and he also told reporters that Hazard is a player who has not fulfilled his potential but is going to fulfill it. He certainly believes it so, and he said that whenever he starts to deliver, he'll get his confidence back. Hazard also joined and said that he's looking forward to working with Ancelotti. He said that during a Euro 2020 press conference when he got to know that Ancelotti has been appointed, and said that he's excited to work with the Italian because he's the one who started the UCL culture back again at Real Madrid back in 2014. So a lot of positives here just in one instance, but yeah, the equation is very simple here. Chelsea meanwhile are prioritizing a move for a centre forward this summer, which is likely Erling Haaland. That is their top transfer target. So putting money elsewhere is not in their best interest right now, and of course, to buy Erling Haaland, they need to accumulate a huge sum of money to convince Dortmund that he can join the club. And of course, if you put money on Hazard there, you're cutting the money from that side. So that does not make sense for Chelsea at all. So they have to focus on their own targets right now. The most important of all is Chelsea have progressed well ahead now. A lot of big players are already here in the present, and you know, a lot of players that are similar to Hazard's role play, and of course they can play out wide, left, right, center, and of course they have players who are very much young. And Chelsea of course are taking the route where building a squad is essential around the young players. The system won't be an issue a lot for Hazard, but the change in personnel surely is. Lastly, I would like to add that Chelsea hierarchy won't perceive this offer as a bad one, because Hazard has a very good relationship with everyone at Chelsea. But this is a conversation in my opinion, and also the most of the Chelsea fans would also agree that won't last long. So that's it for this short video on 6 things by Sarthak on Real Madrid transfer news, and of course related to Eden Hazard. And I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please drop a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Peace.